How to find your Discord token. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Discord token. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser on your device and in the search bar type in discord.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here you will need to click on this Open Discord button at the top right and then log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, this will open up the site menu. Here at the very bottom, you will be able to see More Tools option. Once you move your cursor over this More Tools, you will again access some more menu. From this menu, here you will need to click on Developer Tools. You may also directly access the Developer Tools by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus I button of your keyboard. Once you click on it, you will be able to see the Developer Tools at the right side. Here you will need to click on this double arrow at the top right, and from this drop down select Application. Once you click on Application, now here in the left side you will be able to see this Local Storage option. You will need to click on it to expand the local storage section and then here select this Discord URL. Once you click on it, now in this filter box at the top, here you will need to type in token. And after doing that, now click on this toggle device toolbar button at this side which looks like a laptop, or you may also directly access it by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus M keys of your keyboard. Once you click on it, here you'll be able to see this token option and here at the right side you'll be able to see their Discord token. Now you can copy it for your records, and also note that you should keep your token private to prevent unauthorized access to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to find your Discord token. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.